Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Xbox app, PC app not downloading or installing games. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go and search, and then you just need to write wreset and then press on the command and wait for a couple of seconds, and after that look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, you just need to write Windows PowerShell run as admin. And then you need to here put few commands. All the commands will be in the video description below, so you can easily copy and paste it. But nevertheless, let's put these commands here. First command, and then I will put other command here. Other command, and then you'll get this pop-up here. Press install and wait until gaming services install is done. And after that, look if the problem persists. Next up, what you need to do here, you need to log into your Xbox app, press on your profile icon that is on the top right, then press on support, go to gaming services repair tool, start repairing. Wait until this thing is done and then close. After that, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then you just need to write view network connections, then find your internet connection. In my case is Ethernet. Right click on it, go to properties, and make sure Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled. Then double click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 1.1.1.1, and on alternate DNS server 1.0.0.1. And then you can save these changes, open up command prompt or cmd, make sure to open as admin. And then here you need to put few commands: IP config space / flush DNS. Second command is nesh winsock reset. After that, go to settings, make sure Windows is fully updated. Then you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and then you need to look for network reset and reset your network. And also make sure to look on time and language and region, or date and time, and make sure set time zone automatically is disabled, and select the right that you live in, and then look if the problem persists after that. And if it's nothing working, I suggest you to try to download games using VPN and look if the problem persists with VPN or not. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.